What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing a couple of shirts for a friend of mine that has his own carpet cleaning company. So if you guys want to see how everything turns out, just stay tuned. Alright, I already have one of the colors loaded up, which is going to be the sky blue, and this is the other color I'm going to be using, which is safety yellow or neon yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out and then go to the weeding table. Dang it, I didn't weed one part out, y'all. Y'all see this? Y'all see this right here? I've been making a lot of mistakes lately. I forgot to weed that part out. And none of y'all didn't tell me. Why? I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out, but I'm about to try right quick. Go ahead and get my vinyl remover. For some reason, I've been using it a lot lately. Shirts haven't even cooled off yet, and I'm having to try to fix some. So I'm gonna try this little part. I'm not on social media like talking about, so I don't know. I don't know the logos, I guess. Or maybe I should have had my glasses on. Look at there. I think I don't have much of a nail, but I think I can just take this part off, y'all. You see that? I was able to just take that part off. And I'm gonna have to repress this again. But yeah, I was able to weed that part out. Y'all see that? I made a mistake. I was able to fix it for y'all. Alright, so I gotta let this shirt dry first, and then I'm gonna press it again. That shouldn't take long. If y'all need some help with using the logo, I have a video for that. I'm gonna put it right up here for you guys. Right there. And by the way, this vinyl that I'm using is actually Vinyl Frog vinyl. And I bought it from Amazon, and it's actually 12-inch. It was 12-inch wide vinyl. I bought it for a small job that I had to do, and this is, you know, these are two colors I had left over. So I'm gonna leave a link for that down below. And since I used the T-Square it, and the logo in this video. I'm also going to leave links for that down below just in case you guys are interested. Yeah, I did have a person that asked if anybody had ever used Vinyl Frog vinyl from Amazon, so I'm going to leave a link for that down below. But here is the red shirt. And let me grab the other one. What'd I do with it? Oh, forgot, I just hung it right there so it could dry. And here's the other shirt, the gray one. Alright, and this is all dry. I'm gonna go ahead and press it again. I really don't think it needs pressing, but I'm gonna go ahead and press it again just to be safe. Give it about a 5-second press, and this is what it looks like. Shouldn't be any issues with it, but you know, even if it is an issue, I always take care of my customers, but there shouldn't be any issues with it. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you know you like my videos and I appreciate y'all watching. If you're interested in any other products or equipment that I use, be sure to check down below, because I try to leave links for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.